About myself, my name is Dr Awudu. I'm a GP, so I love aesthetic medicine. I love it, and I'm hoping to share some of my experiences. Been practicing it now since 2011. Tips to help your skin if you have oily and acne-prone skin. You want to cleanse twice a day, preferably with a foaming cleanser, okay? Why foaming cleanser? Because it's a bit more gentle, it cuts the oils a bit better than a cream-based cleanser. Some products you want to look for in your daily skincare would be salicylic acid. Why? It's lipid soluble, it penetrates the oil and goes into the skin. So the things I was going to say were benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, a retinoid, whether it be the prescription retinoids, vitamin A, sulfur. Now, too much of it, and some people use too much at a time, can lead to a rebound breakout. Why? Because you're drying out the skin. A lot of these products are drying and you're stripping the skin of some oils. Now, while we don't want too much of the oils, which clogs up and causes the breakouts, you don't want to strip it completely. But in terms of vast array of uses, retinol is your best bang for your buck. It's anti-aging, yeah? It keeps you looking youthful because, like I said, it renews your skin. I read something quite recently, or watched a video quite recently from one of the consultants that I follow about why we do these things. Why do we bother about good skincare? Why do we bother about frown lines? And he gave a very, very good story. It was about a patient of his who was 70-year-old, but she finds every time she goes in the park, nobody approaches her, nobody communicates with her, and it's because of her expressions. She had lines and wrinkles on her forehead, and they made her look angry. Because once she had Botox done, that softened up her wrinkles, she was no longer angry. And it hits to the core of what we are as human beings. Botox, botulinum toxin injection lasts about 3 to 4 months, so you get it repeated. And usually when you have it several times, the lines are faded quite significantly. You can then increase the duration in between. Because whether we like it or not, how we appear, please take it from me, matters. In the professional space, yes, you can be good at your job, but how you appear matters.
Principal grounds, some people will really believe they don't want to tamper with anything. They just, they want to age as they're aging. And I think that's absolutely brilliant. But I don't necessarily sit there.
People want to look good. And if there's ways to do that, why not?
The one thing that I would take away is that knowledge is power, and that we should always challenge the narrative, especially as Black women living in the West. There's so many things that we need to unpack, relearn, and just go back to the roots.
We were in an environment where we could ask questions, we could be ourselves. Honestly speaking, I've left here with a wealth of knowledge, no joke.